I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your email on Discord is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord app on your device or open it in your web browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to User Settings. Click on the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen next to your username. This will take you to your user settings. Step 3. Select My Account. In the User Settings menu, click on My Account to access your account details, including your current email address. Step 4. Change email address. Click on the Edit button next to your email address. Enter your new email address and your current password to confirm the change. Step 5. Verify your new email. Check your inbox for a verification email from Discord. Click on the verification link to finalize the change. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. Changing your email is simple, but remember to check your spam folder if you don't see the verification email right away. Good luck with your updated Discord profile.